Walking at three-fourths of his usual speed, a man is 1.5 hours late. Find his usual travel time. Now, as he's walking at three-fourths of his usual speed, we can say that the ratio of speeds is equal to 4:3. Now, for the constant distance, we can say that the ratio of times will be reverse, that is 3:4. So now we can assume the usual time as 3x and late time is 4x. So we can have an equation. The man is 1.5 hours late. So that is late time minus usual time. So we have 4x minus 3x is equal to 1.5. So we have x is equal to 1.5 hours. Now we have been asked to find out the usual travel time. So usual time is 3x. So 1.5 into 3, we get the answer as 4.5 hours. So that's our answer.